Good morning, Aiden. No, remember she said she was gonna be out today? No. Okay. Okay. What? Of course. Mm. Hello, Jamara. Hello, Trey. Hi, Jaden. Hola, Jennifer. Hello, Diamond. Hello, Daz. Hello, Alyssa. Hi, Jordan. Hello, Clara. Hi, Javon. Hello, Janaya. Hello, Jaheim. Hello, Raz. I saw a sign the other day that said, "Watch for children." I thought, that sounds like a fair trade. Whiteboards are remarkable. I threw a boomerang a couple of years ago. I now live in constant fear. I put my grandma on speed dial the other day. I call it Instagram. I have a few jokes about unemployed people, but none of them work. I have a split personality, said Tom, being frank. My teachers told me I'd never amount to much because I procrastinate so much. I told them, just you wait. Thank you. Will glass coffins be a success? Remains to be seen. Thank you. Did you hear about the guy whose whole left side got amputated? He's all right now. The man who survived both mustard gas and pepper spray is a seasoned veteran now. Have you heard about the new restaurant called Karma? There's no menu. You get what you deserve. All right. So hello, Jaden Hamlet. There are 2 weeks left for past due assignments. In other words, I'm giving all of you until Monday, May 10th to turn in past due assignments, because that week will be your last week, basically. I mean, I'm going to have grades due by, I believe, May 14th. Okay. Grades will be due, all right, that week. So I'm going to give you till Monday, May 10th. That's 2 weeks from today for past due assignments. I have a number of students who have done okay all first, second, third quarter, and then all of a sudden have dropped off the face of the earth, stopped doing work. Some of you need like 8% in order to pass for the year. Like 13% just to pass for the year, but you have a 0. There are a number of you who have done nothing this quarter, and you're going to fail for the year because of a 0 this quarter. Whereas all you need is like, I don't know, 43% to pass for the year. I don't care. I really don't. I mean, so my point is, I mean, I care, but after May 10th, I don't want to hear it. I just don't. I will not help you after May 10th. I'll help you now, but I won't help you after May 10th. I'm sorry to say this, but I'm talking to you, Daz. I'm talking to you, Lamont. All right, and there's a couple other people who aren't even here yet. Oh, Andre, I'm talking to you. Okay? Sorry, I don't have time for finding a way to talk to you guys privately. But if nothing gets done from you guys in the next 3 days, I'm just going to call home so all parents know about failing if you do nothing this quarter. Okay? I am going to make phone calls all day Wednesday to parents. So if I don't get any work from you by Wednesday, please plan on a phone call home. Once again, I'm talking to you, Daz. I'm talking to you, Andre. I'm talking to you, Lamont. Okay? All right. We have yet another easy lesson today, but it's easy if you pay attention. All right. Oh, hold on. All righty. Remember in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, if the short side is 1, you double it to get the hypotenuse. Okay, the hypotenuse would be 2. And then the long side, the long leg is 1 square root of 3. Okay. For example, if the short leg is 5, hypotenuse, double it, is 10. Long leg is 5 square root of 3. Okay. If the short leg is 7, the hypotenuse is 14, double it. The long leg is 7 square root of 3, right? Okay. If the short leg is 9, the hypotenuse is 18. The long leg is 9 square root of 3. Okay. We are just going to focus on the simplified version right here. We're going to just focus on this version right here. Okay. If the short leg is 1, hypotenuse is 2, long leg is square root of 3. Okay. In a 30, 60, 90. Now, do you remember SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA, right? SOHCAHTOA just made a comeback. Sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan is opposite over adjacent. Okay. So, what's sine of A? Right? Here's A. What's sine of A? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. What's opposite? 3. What's hypotenuse? 5. What's sine of A? 3 over 5, right? What's cosine of A? Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. That's going to be 4 over 5. What's tan of A? Tan is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 3, adjacent is 4, 3 over 4. Okay. All right. What's sine of B? Okay, here's B, right? What's sine of B? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. What's opposite B? Opposite B is 4. What's hypotenuse? 5. 4 over 5. Okay. What's cosine B? Adjacent over hypotenuse, 3 over 5. What's tan of B? Opposite over adjacent, 4 over 3. Okay. All right. Please stop me if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, please private message me. Tell me you're lost if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay. So, what is sine of 30 degrees? Once again, I'm looking at this guy right here, 30, 60, 90 triangle. The short side is 1. The hypotenuse is 2. The long leg is square root of 3. That's what we use. Okay. So what is sine of 30? Okay. Here's 30 degrees. Remember, SOHCAHTOA. Sine of 30, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2. The sine of 30 is 1 over 2. Okay. What's the cosine of 30? Cosine of 30 is adjacent over hypotenuse. Square root of 3 over 2. What's the tan of 30? Tan of 30 is opposite over adjacent. 1 over square root of 3. Now, here's the problem. Okay. Once upon a time, I told you that you can't have a square root in the denominator. Okay. And delta math does not let you leave a square root in the denominator. If it was up to me, I would say this answer is just fine, but it's not up to me. So what I taught you was we have to multiply this by square root of 3 over square root of 3. That's 1. Okay. What is 1 times square root of 3? That's square root of 3. And what's square root of 3 times square root of 3? Square root of 9, which is 3. This is how you write tan of 30. meaning can't write it like this. It's got to be square root of 3 over 3. Okay. What is sine of 60? Sine of 60, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of 60 is opposite square root of 3 over 2. What's cosine of 60? 1 over square root of 2. 1 over 2, sorry. 1/2. What's tan of 60? Square root of 3 over 1. What we just write, square root of 3. Can I have a thumbs up if you're okay there, please? Can I have a thumbs up, please? Alyssa, Sam, thank you. Trey, Jamara, thank you. Kylie, Jaden, Lindsay, thank you. Trey, Javon, Janaya, Jaheim, thank you. Jaden Hamlet, thank you. All right. Okay. All right. Very good. Now, over here, I need you to recall that in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, if one side is 1, the other side is 1. The two angles are 45, both 45. The two sides are both 1. And then the hypotenuse is square root of 2. 1 square root of 2. For example, if one side is 7, the other side is 7, and the hypotenuse is 7 square root of 2. Okay. If one leg is 3, the other leg is 3, and the hypotenuse is 3 square root of 2. Okay. If one leg is 5, the other leg is 5, and the hypotenuse is 5 square root of 2. Okay. But we are going to use just this guy right here. This is the main one, the main use of 45, 45, 90. 1, 1, and square root of 2. Okay, so we're going to use 1, 1, square root of 2. Okay. All right. So, once again, SOHCAHTOA. What is sine 45? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So that's going to be 1 over square root of 2. Uh-oh, square root in the denominator. Can't do it. Can't do it. Oh, man. So 1 over square root of 2. I have to multiply this by square root of 2 over square root of 2. What does that give me? 1 times square root of 2 is square root of 2. And square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So I can't write 1 over square root of 2, but I can write square root of 2 over 2. So sine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. What's cosine of 45? And by the way, it doesn't matter if I use this 45 here or this 45, right? Either one. Opposite is still 1 and adjacent is 1. So for both 45-degree angles, adjacent is 1, but the hypotenuse is still square root of 2. Oh my God, I can't write 1 over square root of 2. It's got to be square root of 2 over 2. What's tan 45? Doesn't matter which 45-degree angle you're talking about. Either way, tan is going to be 1 over 1. 1 over 1's not simplified. You have to just write 1. Singular sensation, every little step she takes. Da, 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 da. 1. Thrilling combination, every move that she makes. All right. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to get your phone out. I want you to take a picture. All right. And I want you to take a picture of this. Okay. Sine 30, cosine 30, tan 30. Sine 60, cosine 60, tan 60. Take a picture, please. This will make your life so much easier today. Take a picture. All right. Take a picture of this one. Sine 45, cosine 45, tan 45. Okay. All right. Now, here's how your assignment's going to go. Watch how easy this is. Okay. Find the exact value of cosine pi over 6. What? Here's what you do. Cosine pi over 6. What we're going to do is we're going to change the pi. Pi is 180 degrees. Remember that on the unit circle? Pi is 180. Whenever you see pi, you just put in 180. So this is going to be cosine 180 over 6. What is 180 divided by 6? Well, what's 18 divided by 6? 18 divided by 6 is 3. So 180 divided by 6 is 30. Okay. So what's cosine of 30? Well, I asked you to take a picture. But did you? I don't know. What's cosine 30? Cosine is 30 is square root of 3 over 2. See that there? So you're going to put square root 3. You got to hit the forward arrow here and then the fraction bar. Square root of 3 over 2. Submit. Yes. Boom. Easy. We just did cosine pi over 3. What's cosine pi over 4? All right. Cosine pi over 4 Oh, sorry, we did pi over 6. Cosine pi over 4. I'm gonna make this a 4. I'm gonna make this a 4. What's 180 divided by 4? 180 divided by 4 is 45 degrees. What's cosine 45 degrees? Did you take a picture when I asked you to do it? No. Okay, that's your problem. Cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Square root 2, hit the right arrow, hit the fraction bar, 2. Yes. Tan pi over 6. Tan pi over 6. All right. Tan 180 over 6. What's 180 divided by 6? 30. What's tan 30 degrees? Tan 30 degrees. Did you take a picture when I asked you to? No. All right. Uh-oh. What the fiddlestick? You know?
It's 1/2, right? Oh, wait, no.
No. Hang
You
on.
said tan, square root of 3 over 3.
Hang on. Hold on. I'm having technical issues here. Okay. Tan 30 degrees. Yes, square root of 3 over 3. Okay. So I'm going to put square root 3, hit the right arrow, fraction bar, 3, boom, yes. Okay, that's all you do. In each of these problems, you're just putting in 180 for pi. 180 for pi. Each time. I'm going to have you do 10 of these and then you're done. Okay. That is your assignment today. Okay. All right. All right, so go. When I say go, I don't mean leave. I mean, start your assignment. Once again, last day for past due assignments is 2 weeks from today, Monday, May 10th. Monday, May 10th. Okay, Jaden, hold on a second. Okay, Jaden, you're good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Okay, Jaden, have a good day. Say no to drugs. All right, Alyssa. Janaya, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Okay, Javon, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Sorry, I just want to show you something really annoying. Here's an email I just got this morning. During this class, I got this email. Good morning, Mr. Weiss. What can I do to get my grade back up to an A? Is there anyone in this room who knows how to answer that question? What can anyone do to get their grade to an A? Anybody?
Is it do
Anybody
your
know-
work?
Do your work.
Okay, let's make sure.
Do your work. I give an assignment, you do it. You do your work, you get the grade. It's cold.
Mr. West, can you show me how to do one more problem?
Okay, Trey, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Des, I need you to get your other assignments done. You are not excused until you start getting some other assignments done. Jennifer, have a good day. Say no to drugs. I'll be right back. All right, Jordan, have a good day. Say no to drugs. All right, Jamira, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Patience, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Oh, Miss Elliott. Good morning. Hey, Churchill Weiss, how you doing? All right, folks, I'm gonna end today's meeting. Lamont, Andre, and Daz, I swear you better get some work in, or else your parents will be hearing from me Wednesday, just to confirm that you are doing 0 this quarter. And you have 2 weeks from today to get me your assignments. And I'm not happy that you're turning in nothing this quarter. All right, have a good day. Say no to drugs.